I was doing this. I was about to put it on, and I was like, God, this is such a satisfying part that would be cool to show. Sort of like you have this front piece here that I made, and then I'm gonna attach it to the front, and it's quite nice how it happens. It feels like it's fitting, like like locking in or something, you know, kind of like click click. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up. I think it's also the sound of the fabric. I'm watching some shoemaking. I love watching people make stuff while I'm making stuff. I'm not really watching, I'm listening, you know? We both like the front, and I really prefer having a really sort of stiff front. It will mold a little bit and adjust and move, but I like it keeping the front fabric flat, like straight. I really, that's how I like to see it personally. Elsa says she wants it literally straight. I think I'm gonna wait to sew this until she sees it. I like it curved. I like the edges little curved. It sort of looks more like finished instead of the straight edges. I think. You know, you don't really see a exactly straight sort of sword. You have a little bit of a curve to it. Anyway, let's see. So that's in there. Okay. Some more of these. Man, what a clean looking bag. Now I've got to do this side, finishing it, but I want it to be exactly on the edge. So I need to fold it just right. Okay. All right. Let's see. This one's a sort of a fun one to sew because it's so stiff. I really like fabric that is very stiff. I do like that, and not just stiff, but also I like that the needle goes through this fabric quite easily. So, yeah. Let's see what we're doing in there. It's a little shorter, I think. Crazy. It's funny how the mind can play tricks on you. This middle part is a little. Funny how sometimes I'll have it in my hand and I can't get to it because of the way I put it in my hand. It's like, it's right there and I can't reach it. All right. I'm getting emails from people wanting to come stay with us. Oh, I usually get maybe 10 to 20 emails a day, and I respond to something like that. Okay, that's it. I think I'm gonna leave this and wait for Elsa. She's coming home. As much as I want to keep going on it, I think I would like her to see it first. I think she's gonna say, "Yeah, go for it," but I just want to give her an option, not a rush, and yeah, she's gonna go with the. She already said that's what she wants, so maybe I should just go for it. She is right. At some point, if we want to change it, I can turn it probably. So it's not that big a deal. Okay, I'm gonna go for it then. So the stitching, how am I gonna do it? Because this is the one that's sort of seen everywhere. Also, I want to go ahead and stitch the webbing in. I'm going to do it at the same time as I sew this on, as to not make any extra holes. It does make it a little bit more difficult, but it's also worth it. Let me think about this. Yeah, I think I'm actually kind of leaning towards doing one continuous line. It does look cleaner that way, and I guess there's no real reason I can't do it. So I think I'm going to try that. Which means I need to get this thing locked down, and I need to prepare the webbing. Okay. I just like to use as many on parts like this. You know, just use as many as you can, just to make sure it's being held on there as tight as possible. Okay. Let's see here. I am jealous that she got this webbing. I meant to order this webbing for my bag, and I thought that's what I ordered, and it wasn't correct. It was a different number, a different style number. Oh, wait a minute. Oh. Kind of a benefit of this being two pieces. I have something to clip the strap to. It's kind of cool. It's not where it's gonna go. Let's see. Okay. ¿Comiste?
Sí.
Okay.
¿Y tú? ¿Comiste?
You see?
¿Vas a comer con la salsita?
No sé. No pienso.
No piensas. ¿Tudo bem?
Tudo.
Profissional.
Profissional.
Yes.
Mais ou menos.
Não, mais, muito bom.
Muito bom.
Muito bom, sim senhora. Muito profissional.
Let's see. That's the way I want to do it. Okay, vamos ver. Let's see how long. Let's go. Okay, so this is about.
Muito bom, sim senhora.
Si, senhora.
Muito buenas.
Muito buenas. Okay. Just gonna go down.
Estás melhor?
Sim,
A perna?
sim. Sem problema. Sem problema. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Pretty good. Pretty straight.
Profissional.
Professional. Let me measure that one more time. Am I crazy? Did I get it right?
Profissional. Muito bom.
Professional. Let's see. That's 11. And this is. It's exactly 11. Okay. Muito bem. Muito bem. All right, so that's about right.
Muito bom.
Muito bom. Muito bom. Okay, perfecto. E agora? E agora?
Agora está pronto.
Vamos.
Está pronto.
Let's see.
Não? Não? Ok.
Let's get in there. Here we go. Okay. Maybe I'll take a little break. Let's see.